Hi everyone, I miss you guys so much. I'm glad that I'm gonna show you two dishes today. I hope you like it. And then it's kind of family gathering together. Now I know you guys have spent so much time all day long with your family. So it's kind of a good project to do. I made a first dish is I made the banana chocolate chip dumpling wrap, which is I just made it this. And it looks like a dumpling, right? But once you cut it, inside is banana and then chocolate chips. Banana, and then I could not find the chocolate chips because it's a hard these days to go to the grocery stores. So I just got it. I just find something that I found at home, and then I crush it. So I just made a chocolate chips like this, and then I slice the banana. So you see the banana like this, and then you will see the wonton skin like this, right? And then if you have a wonton skin, like dumpling skin, which is a square, that's perfect too. That's actually easier. So what you can do is I put on the table the dumpling skin, and I put the banana, right? And I put the chocolate chocolate chips like this, and then you put some little bit of water. I'm sure that you know how to wrap the dumplings because we're all Asian. And okay. It's fun like this. Once you make, it's like this. It's easy to make, right? And then you just go to the stove and be careful, and you make a little bit of heat low, and I put a little bit of oil, but just in case I put a little bit more oil in it. And then be careful when you use the stove. Ask your parents or your older siblings, they'll be fine. Like this. Okay, and you just put, when the pan is heated, you can just put the pan fried, like you make a dumpling fried, right? Okay, and then you can just leave it here. So make sure that it's cooked.